Are you tired of manual pool cleaning and ready to make the leap into the world of robotic pool cleaners? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top robot pool cleaners on the market. Let's explore how these devices can take the heavy lifting out of maintaining your pool, allowing you to enjoy more fun in the sun. First on our list is the Iper Scuba SE. This robot pool cleaner has been making waves for its efficiency and user-friendly design. It's a fantastic choice for pool owners who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. The Scuba SE is cordless, which means you won't have to deal with tangled cables as it cleans your pool. This cleaner is equipped with dual-drive motors, which enhance its mobility and ensure it covers every inch of your pool. With its intelligent navigation system, the Scuba SE adapts to the shape and size of your pool, ensuring it doesn't miss a spot. It has a decent battery life of about 90 minutes, making it suitable for small to medium-sized pools. One of the standout features of the Scuba SE is its easy maintenance. The filter basket is simple to remove and clean, saving you time and effort after each cleaning session. However, if you have a larger pool, you might find the battery life a bit limiting, and it might require a recharge to complete the cleaning cycle. Overall, the Iper Scuba SE is an excellent entry-level robot pool cleaner that combines functionality and affordability. It's perfect for those who are new to robot pool cleaners and want a product that's easy to handle and operate. Next on our list is the WBot C1, a versatile robot pool cleaner designed for those with larger pools. If you're looking for something that can handle an extended cleaning session and offer a variety of options, this is the one for you. The WBot C1 stands out for its powerful dual brush system, which efficiently lifts debris from pool floors, walls, and even the waterline. This comprehensive cleaning ability makes it ideal for maintaining a pristine pool throughout the season. One of its key features is its variable cleaning modes. You can choose between automatic, manual, and time-based cleaning cycles. This flexibility allows you to tailor the cleaner's operation to fit your pool's specific needs, whether you're tackling a quick touch-up or a full deep clean. The WBot C1 is powered by a lithium battery, providing up to 120 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. This extended runtime makes it suitable for larger pools, giving it ample time to cover every inch. Plus, its easy-to-remove filter cartridge simplifies maintenance, ensuring that cleaning up after a cycle is straightforward and stress-free. However, its more advanced features come at a higher price point, making it less affordable than some of the other options. But for pool owners who value versatility and extended cleaning coverage, the WBot C1 offers an excellent balance between performance and convenience. Now, let's take a look at the Iper Seagull Pro. This cleaner combines technological advancements with a user-friendly design, making it a strong contender for those seeking an efficient and comprehensive cleaning solution. The Seagull Pro is equipped with a tri-motor system, providing the robust suction power for effectively removing a variety of debris, including leaves, dirt, and sand. This makes it suitable for both residential and commercial pools, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience regardless of pool size. One of the standout features of the Seagull Pro is its smart route planning capability. It intelligently maps the pool's layout and optimizes its cleaning path, reducing the likelihood of missed spots and ensuring comprehensive coverage. This feature is particularly valuable for larger or irregularly shaped pools. The Seagull Pro also comes with a large filter compartment, which accommodates more debris, reducing the need for frequent emptying. This makes it convenient for pool owners who want to minimize maintenance time and maximize cleaning efficiency. With a 120-minute runtime, the Seagull Pro offers ample time to clean medium to large pools. However, its advanced features do make it a higher-end option, which might not fit everyone's budget, but for those looking for a powerful, intelligent, and efficient cleaner, the Iper Seagull Pro is a strong choice for keeping their pool pristine. Next on our list is the Dolphin E10, a high-quality robot pool cleaner designed to provide comprehensive cleaning with advanced technology. This model is perfect for pool owners seeking an efficient, professional-grade cleaning solution. The Dolphin E10 comes equipped with a number of features that make it stand out from the crowd. The E10's scrubbing brush effectively removes dirt and debris from the pool floor, ensuring a thorough clean. This brush is designed to work on different surfaces, making it ideal for both above-ground and in-ground pools. After a cleaning cycle, the Dolphin E10 features a quick water release system, making it easier to remove from the pool and reducing the weight for storage. The Dolphin E10's large filter basket is easy to remove and clean, simplifying maintenance and making it straightforward to keep your pool cleaner functioning effectively. The Dolphin E10's intuitive design allows for hassle-free operation. Simply plug it in and it begins its cleaning cycle, navigating the pool efficiently. The Dolphin E10 offers dependable and consistent cleaning performance. However, its lack of wall climbing capability and more advanced navigation features might be a drawback for those looking for a more comprehensive cleaning solution. Last but not least, let's check out the Dolphin Nautilus CC+, a heavy-duty robot pool cleaner designed to provide comprehensive coverage with advanced technology. This cleaner is ideal for pool owners seeking a thorough and automated cleaning solution. The Dolphin Nautilus CC+ stands out for its advanced scanning system, which maps the pool's layout and optimizes its cleaning path. This minimizes missed spots and ensures comprehensive coverage, making it ideal for medium to large pools. The dual scrubbing brushes effectively clean the pool's floors, walls, and waterline, removing dirt, algae, and other debris. The Nautilus CC+ features an intuitive design that allows for easy operation. Simply plug it in, and it begins its cleaning cycle, navigating the pool efficiently. The Dolphin Nautilus CC+ offers consistent and reliable performance, though its more advanced features come at a higher price point. Despite this, its professional-grade cleaning capabilities make it a great choice for those looking for a dependable and comprehensive solution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Enjoy your pool with less hassle this summer, and thanks for watching.